Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add time in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet. Here you can see their starting time and ending time of some workers, and here are the working hours. We'll find out how many hours they have worked for. So these times are formatted in a definite time schedule or definite time format. So we will find out the working hours in a format too. That's why we'll select the cells first. Click on the right button, go to format cells option, and from the time we will select this option and click on OK. And now we will put a formula which is equals to sum open parenthesis, then this first cell, select the first cell and put a minus, and then select the second cell and close the parenthesis, click on enter, and as you can see it's done. We'll just um, drag it down and find the time. This is how you can find out the working hours in Excel, or can add time in Excel. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.